I'm now going to create the menu because they are asking for the two things, that is a term deposit and recurring deposit. So for that I'm creating the menu. I am saying user menu. See, always try to work according to the question, like what they are saying in the question. Follow that. So I'm just going to create the menu because this is a program of which case only. Mm, So I'm taking first one. I'm taking term deposit. Other we are taking recurring. I'm taking now. I'm just going to take ch variable for the choice, or we can say choice, and then for that we should like take the statement also and tell it which I'm taking. For that I'm taking ob dot next int. Okay, so this is the choice. Then I'm taking switch. And I'll just switch the choice, as you know that what basically it means. We have already done the switch case. I'm taking case one for the like if the user will press one, the term deposit procedure would be started. Uh, then we are taking the float and ob dot next. That I'm just going to copy and paste. Okay. So next I'm just going for the rate of interest and then I'm taking n variable for sorry r I will take for the rate of interest. So, and I'm taking r dot next put. Then for the time, for time I'm taking like we can take integer because if we are or we can take float also. 2.5 years, that means 2.5 years, doesn't matter. Now I'm just going to calculate the we usually in your questions the formula, if there are some external formula, they would be given in hand. So you just have to apply the logic and you have to apply the formula which is given, which is getting asked, the program which is getting asked. I'm just going to take this as capital P. Okay. Okay, so P into, now we are having math dot pow, that is power function, and a comma n means the variable a will have the power n. And what is a? A is basically this, and n is the time. Okay, I'm taking this time. Okay, n is the number of years. Then I'm taking system dot out dot and maturity amount. We are calculating basically the maturity amount. So this is that. Okay, so this was the case one, and now I'm just making a copy of it, and I'll just make the changes for the recurring, like for the this two, and again we need the like in the case of this particular, I need monthly installment. So I'm taking enter monthly installment. We do not need to declare it again because we have already done that above. Then the rate of interest also the same thing, we do not need it, this we do not need. Then again the time of period, that also has to be entered here. Yes, it has to be entered because this is another thing, but we do not have to take it again and again. So I'm taking as, and the formula I'm just going to change according to question as it is given there. um, 1 by 12. Okay, then I'm taking B. So B, it is given n into n plus 1 and divided by 2 into, take it should be parenthesis. Yes, it's fine. Then B I have taken and that is fine. Now I'm just going to, now what is the problem here? It's again the problem of parenthesis. Oh, yes, it's fine now. Okay, fine. Then I'm just going to take another formula which is ours here. That is, I'm taking P into N plus P into P. Okay, so I'm just going to compile this program. Now it is giving me, okay, okay, fine, fine, fine. I do not like this way. The output is coming like this, and I just want some line breaks. So I'm just going to do that. I'm just going to do that here. User menu. Okay, okay. I have taken print L. I have not taken print ln. Come in next line always. Okay, fine. So now this is our menu, and it is asking to enter the choice. First of all, I'm taking term deposit. So for that, I'm just and the rate of interest say 4.5, and in the time I'm to, you can see this is the maturity amount. Wow, good. After that, I'm just going to check the another option, the second one, the second choice. So I'm taking the second option. That is what we're clicking. So I will take monthly installment. Suppose I'm asking for 12 installments. Suppose 5.6 is the rate of interest, and time in years I'm saying 3 years. So okay, it is coming 36. Uh, yes, we have to input the amount actually, not the number of installments. Mm, I'm taking monthly installments. I'm taking 2,000, and rate of interest is 5.6, and time is 2. Now it is fine. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
okay. So okay. So now I'm just moving towards the next. Okay, the next question is for the ISBN number, that international standard book number, that is ISBN. So that is ISBN, and International Standard Book Number, that is ISBN, is a unique numeric identifier which is printed on every book. The ISBN is based upon a 10-digit code. So that is the formula is given here, that first digit into digit one, then the two into digit two, three into digit. This is the code. This is the formula for the verification of the ISBN number. So how the ISBN number is generated, and how to verify that the number is correct or not, or it is ISBN or not. Yes, yes. This is always printed on the books. No, whenever you purchase a book, you can check that there is an ISBN number there. Okay, so okay, now I'm just going to start with this ISBN program. So I'm importing import java.util. Okay, then class ISBN I'm taking, and here I'm just going to take. That I'm going to create the object of scanner class. Now, like we have to enter a 10-digit number, so I'm taking system.out.println, and there are 10 number. Now the number basically I am just going to take it is into string. Okay, because it could be like containing some values. I will just show you that how to convert everything. First of all, I am going to take for the string we take ob dot next. Okay, next. Okay, this I have taken, and now I am taking int. Suppose I was taking it s, yes. Then I'm taking int length for the length, and here I'm going to take s dot length. So it will just the length will be calculated that how many letters are there or how many characters are there. Then we will check if length not equal to 10. If the length is not equal to 10, that is it is greater than 10 or less than 10. In that case, it would not be the ISBN number itself. So I am writing illegal ISBN code. So that case it is automatically not an ISBN number. Then the condition of else I am taking here. What I am going to do here, first of all we will go for the for loop. So I am taking for, and I am taking some variables. First of all, here I am going to take some variables for the calculation. Like I am taking string ch and string ch, then I'm taking integer dig equals to for digit, then sum equals to 0, then I'm taking k equals to 1. So we will use them. Okay, so now here I'm coming, so I'm just going for int I equals to 0 for the loop, and then we will check if I less than n length. So it will just check the length. So you can see that yes, first of all we will just check the length even, because we have to check each and every character. And what basically we are doing, we are going to convert each and every character. We will parse it. So character dot to string is used when we want to parse, that is we want to convert. So I'm taking char at I. So this I'm taking. This will help to convert each and every character into each and every character of the string to the character. Like when we are talking about a string is what? A string is a collection of characters. But this is separating a string into single character. I hope you are getting the point what I'm trying to say. Every let me just tell you the notation. So suppose a string is, I am writing, this is a string, but when we are talking about characters, so it will take single character like this, and a single quote also, because all the characters are given the single quote. So this way it will just bifurcate all the characters one by one. I hope you are getting the point. This is character and this is string, complete string. So each and every character of the string is now getting changed to the single character. Okay, so now I'm just coming back. Okay, let me tell you that what I'm trying to say. First of all, when we talk about string, so like I'm writing hello. So it is a string because always we give the strings into, the string is given in double quotes. It is by default, internally it is in double quotes only. So like this was the string. Now what I'm doing, I'm converting the string because this S was S dot caret I, that S was containing the complete string, the value of the ISBN which we are giving input. So after that, what is basically done, each and every character is taken out individually, and like this it is taken out. Like now it is not a string. Each and every character is to be checked individually. That's why it is converted to the character, because character is given in the single quotes and character is a single character. But when we talk about the string, strings are basically a collection of characters, and characters are having their own identity individually. So these are the characters of this string. So basically what is being done on this line, character dot to string, is basically converting the string to the character at ith index. and we are taking it from the 0th index, because the string is a collection of characters, and always and a collection of characters is an array of characters, and array always starts from 0. That's why we have taken int 0. And according to the length, it will just take single character, and it will store in ch, and then we are going to do the checking of each and every character according to the condition of ISBN number. Okay, then I'm coming back to the program. Okay, so I was just going towards the if condition. If ch dot equals ignore case, so if it is given x in any of the character, then we just have to, x is what, x is 10, no, in the Roman, so we just have to assign it to digit 10, that is x means 10. Okay, that's why. After that, what, first of all the length is getting checked, no, that's why. So after that, what is going to do, we are just taking digit equals to teacher dot parse int. uh, Basically what I am going to do now, the digit is like going to store this converted value of character, like every character was coming here, and the character is now, character is having single quotes, like I have written. See, what about the ISBN number? Basically the ISBN number would be some number, no, but when we are taking it in string, so it is coming like this, and when I am converting into a character, so this is a character, this is the single character of this particular string. Okay, after that, when we are talking about integers, so what are the integer? Integer are 2, 3, 3, 2, 2. So this is the integer from this particular string. Because see, by default in Java, everything is in a string only. That's why this problem arises, that we have to convert it into the character to bifurcate each and every value from the string, and then what we will do, we will convert it to integer. We cannot convert it directly to integer because it is having the properties of characters. That is, a person must have, like it could also be happened that the person has input a character like ABCDXYZ, so then it would not be in an ISBN number. So now just coming back to program again, and here I was just taking the formula, that is digit equal to this we have done. Then what we are doing, we are making the sum of this digits, and let me just complete first of all, then I'm going to print system, print ln, and after that, if sum mod 11 equal to 0, because it is given to check the condition of 11 also. That's why it is being taken. Let me come here. So then system dot out println valid ISBN, then else it will print invalid ISBN. Now I'm done. Out. Okay, fine. So no compilation errors. Let's run it. So now I'm just taking the same example which is given in the question for the verification that our program is working properly or not. So they have given, yes, they have given one example also, 140. So I'm taking the same example this time to check that our program is working properly or not, because the conditions which we have implemented will be satisfied in this number, and we know the answer of this, that it is ISBN. So you can see it is giving valid ISBN code. So this is fine, our program is working correctly. Now I'm just going to run it again, and we will check some random number, and let's see that what is now giving, like, because we do not have any ISBN code right now. So suppose I'm taking some other number. So invalid ISBN code. Okay, fine. So this way basically we have to check the ISBN code, and this is a program which has come in the examination. Okay, it has already come in the examination. Okay, 10 years. Fine. So the next question, which I am just going to start, is for the taxable income. Okay, for the income tax, this question is given. You can see that the slabs are given for calculating the income tax. It is very nice question for the practice of if else also. So the question is, you can see a hypothetical table is given, and there the rate of the tax, how the tax would be calculated. So we will just consider these slabs, these four slabs, and it is also given about the gender. If the person is female, then what will happen? So I'm just going to create the program for this. This we are taking income tax. So now I'm just going to create program for income tax. Java.util.scanner, and the class name is income tax. Okay, we will take public static void main. So public static void main string args. Okay. Now I'm just taking a scanner. OB equals to new scanner dot in. After that, system dot out dot print ln, and I will just first of all ask for the age. Okay. Then we'll take integer age equals to ob dot next int, and after that we will ask for the gender. Okay, then gender we need to take input. So I'm taking not int, string we will take string gender. So gen I'm taking, or we can take gender. Okay. After that, taxable income. So enter taxable income, and there I'm just going to take integer, and I'm taking variable in. Okay, now we are having all the three things which are required for this particular program. So I'm taking if age greater than 65 or gender dot equals. So when we have, like, this is a string function, equals is a string function, and with this we can just check the string if it is equal to this particular value or not. So if age is greater than, sorry, greater than 65 or gender is female, then you just have to print that no the taxable income, we do not have to come to this category, it is wrong category. It is given in the question also. mm, Wrong category. After that, I'm coming to the else. Now we will just check for all the four types of taxable incomes. So in this, I'm taking double tax. I'm taking a variable tax, and tax equals to 0.0. Then if income less than equal to 1,60,000. Okay. So then what has to be done? We have to take tax equals to 0. And yes, there is no tax if their income is less than 1,60,000. So after that, we will come to the else if the income is greater than 1,60,000 and income is less than equals to 5 lakh. So in that case, it is given that that formula is given for the tax. You can see in the program which I've sent. Income is greater than 1,60,000 and income is greater than 1,60,000. Oh, sorry. Income minus, actually income minus 1,60,000, because it is not applicable on 1,60,000, so we will minus from it. and then into 10 by 100. Okay. Else if the income is greater than 5 lakh, so if the income is greater than 5 lakh, then or less than equal to 8 lakh, so we will take tax equals to income minus 5 lakhs into 20 upon 100 minus 34,000. It's already given in the question. Okay, I am working according to the question only. Then coming to the else portion, I hope you are able to match it from the question. आप लोग क्वेश्चन में देखते रहिएगा, okay, that what the table is saying. 1 2 3 4 5 8 lakhs into 30 divided by 100 and plus 94,000. Okay, after this our work is done, so we just have to print the tax system dot out dot print ln, and income tax is the value of tax. Yes, so let's first compile the program. So now I am just saying that the age is 67. That is wrong category. Okay, and the gender is male, but because age is 67, so I'm taking 45,000, and this is not also the taxable income. So it is saying no, wrong category. Now this time I am again going to run it, and this time we will take the age is 56 but gender is female I am taking, and taxable income like I am taking this much. So it is also saying wrong category because for the females there is no income tax for this particular amount. Then I am just going to now I'm going to take some other value, like I'm taking age is 34, gender is male, and income is this much. So now you can see that the income tax is calculated. So this way our program is working fine, and every conditions which we have taken is according to the proportion only, and it is giving the output accordingly. So the next program which I am just going to start with. Okay, this time I'm going for the portion of special two-digit number, and in this particular program, what is basically going to be done? So you can see that it is given a special two-digit number is such that when the sum of its digits is added to the product of its digits, the result is equal to the original two-digit number. That is, if we are considering a number 59, you can see, so the sum of 5 and 9 is 14, and the product of 5 and 9 is 49, so 45. So the addition of 14 and 45 is 59. So this kind of number which are satisfying this particular condition, that is sum of the digit and the product of digit and added together, give the original number. So if any number, if we perform this thing with any number and it satisfies this condition, that it is called special digit number according to this question. So now I'm just going to start with the program for the special digit number, special digits. I'm going to solve this particular program for you. And class as special. Okay, fine. I'm taking import java dot util dot scanner class. I'm taking special. Then I'm taking static main string args. Then system dot out. In this they are doing something else, that like they are taking 59. Suppose they are taking a number 59, so yeah, they are just adding the two numbers first of all. Then the answer it is like it is taking, and then they are just multiplying the numbers. 5 into 9, they are taking it to 45. Then they are just taking it as b, and then what they are doing, they are adding a and b, and when they are adding a and b, they are again getting 59. Then they are saying the number which satisfies this particular condition, that is the product of the number and of the digits of the number and the sum of the digits of the number, is added, then it gives the original number, then it is known as a special number, special digit. So I'm just going to write enter any two-digit number, enter any two-digit number. Integer num equals to ob dot int. Okay, so the number would be entered, and then I am going to make some functions here. Okay, I'm going to make some functions, and yes, so let me do one thing. Let me just remove this public static void main. Okay, first of all, let me just take those functions. What I'm going to take, basically I am taking here integer num, and then I'm taking sum equals to 0, and I am taking pro, for product I'm taking pro equals to 1, and then I'm taking fs equals to 0. And now yes, I'm just removing this because we have already declared it. Fine. So now this I'm taking inside a function to input. So void except I'm taking a function. This is the method, no, except I'm taking void except a method. Mm, and then we will just for the input we have taken this method. Now for the computation of the values, I'm taking a function named as compute. We can take anything, so I'm taking int digit here, and n equals to num I'm assigning. For the calculation I'm assigning the number which has been input to a variable n, then num mod equals to 0. We will check, because we have to, now we have to separate the two digits of the number to check it. So here I am taking why it is giving problem. Num not equal to 0. I have written right. Okay, okay, okay. Uh, we have assigned it to, let's first of all take it. Digit equal to num modulus 10. So this will just divide the digit and take the remainder. What is the problem here? Errors in found in the class. It is found in the class. Error is found in the class. Okay, let's check that. What is the error? Special spelling is right. Special. Yes, spelling is right. Okay, we will just check. Okay, 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 okay. The spelling of while I have written wrong. Okay, the spelling of while I have written wrong. Yes, now it's correct. So this is that digit, and then we will just perform the sum. Sum plus digit, and then pro equals to pro into digit. So after this while, after dividing the number into two digits, when we will mod, what will happen? It will take the remainder and will store in this digit. Then we have to just make the sum of that. After that, fs equals to sum plus pro. And if now again fs equal to n, that is we are checking that the number which the sum and product we have calculated after dividing the digits is coming equal to the number or not which we have input. So we are just checking that. If it is coming, then it is a special number, otherwise it's not. So special two digit and else. Okay, system dot out print ln not a special. After that we will take the main, because I have not taken the main. Mm, okay, so public static void main yes. Okay, in the main I'm taking the object of a special class, the class which we have created, because it would be required to take sp.accept to call the for functions. When we are making some methods, the methods are also known as functions, or we can say the functions are also known as methods. So when we are creating different methods, method means what function we are performing. So we can make different methods for each and every task in our program. So whenever we take some functions in our program, so it is required to create the object of this class. As we create the object of scanner class, similarly we create the object of any class which we are having. Like we are taking sp, I'm taking the object of special class, and here also the same format is taken. Okay, then sp is the object of a special class, and sp.accept will help to access the accept method which is available in this particular class. And also we are calling the compute. I'm just going to compile it. It's not having any compilation error. I'm just going to run it. So now, first of all, we will just check 59 only.